You've been eyeing this off. Okay.
I'm bringing in a car model, but it's not a real car. It's like a fictional.
Is it from an anime?
Yeah, it's from the Cyber Formula Saga. It's a very old anime in
Is
Japan.
it?
Yeah, it's about car racing. So you can see like the.
And it's a famous model by Aoshima.
Yeah, by Aoshima, very high quality brand, and yeah, let's have a look inside.
Are we going to have a look inside?
Yeah.
What have we got?
I'm gonna show you guys how the incredible details in there.
Yeah, what are we looking at? Oh, wow, look how white it is.
Yeah.
It is the brightest white, like a Gundam white.
Yeah, I know,
it?
right? Yeah, it's very rare to see in the car models, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. And I'm trying to find any.
Is this one that you would paint? Would you paint this model, or is it meant to be this white plastic?
It's meant to be this white.
It's meant to be this white.
Most
Okay.
of them.
Yeah.
Most of them. You still need to paint something, but it's like not too much. Yeah. And let me find some like very detailed parts in
Yeah.
there. Show you guys. Where are they? Okay, that's the cockpit. You can see that's the cockpit.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, right here.
So it's almost half like a jet fighter, half like a car.
It is. So that's why I like the fictional design. Yeah. And there's another thing very interesting. Is like if you look at the performance here, this one.
Yeah.
It's like you have a swappable part. So that's the general form back here.
That's the general form, yeah.
And you can swap to the
Oh, like fins.
Yeah, like
okay,
fins.
so it can be like open or closed.
Yeah,
fin.
open up. Yeah. That's for the recreating the boost on.
Okay, boost on or off.
Yeah.
There you
Very
go.
cool.
Cyber Formula World Champion.
Yeah, it is. And we also get the figures for the.
You get a figure to it.
Yeah, that's a figure. Yeah.
What scale is it?
I think it's 124.
124 scale?
Yeah, 124. Yeah, it is. And that's. Look at the details, like very clean, prescribed line over
Isn't
there.
it?
Yeah, it is.
Aoshima does amazing stuff.
I know, right? And also
have a look at the ducting on this fan. I don't see if we can get in the zoom here.
Yeah, very.
Can you see the detail inside the duct
clean,
there?
Very clean.
It's amazing.
Yeah, also here, like the tiny little.
That's absolutely amazing
yeah,
in here.
Incredible details in there. So it's a very nice kit.
Yeah.
If you want to try something
different, right?
Yeah.
Nobody else is going to have one.
True.
Look how big the back wheels are, how fat they are, and the front little wheels, like the Elf F1 car, the Tyrrell.
Yeah.
And it comes with rubber tires.
Yeah, it is. Like other car models, right?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And the stickers.
Yeah, that's the decals.
Wow, look at that clear.
I know, right?
The clear is absolutely stunning.
It is.
It is better than the armor model that
it is.
that Kobe had before.
Yeah.
That is so clear.
Yeah, and it's like an openable cockpit door.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it's like.
So it's posable a bit, or you have to glue it like that?
It can posable.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is also like the cockpit is twist. Like you can twist a bit. Like you can posing the car, like literally.
And great decals.
Yeah, great decals in there.
I love it.
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, that's my pick.
Well, maybe after your exam and after your hearing, you could spoil yourself with something like this.
Yeah. If no one is getting this one before Christmas, I'm gonna get this as my Christmas gift for myself.
Fantastic. I love it.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Okay.
That is really cool. And that's from Aoshima.
Yeah.
And that is in stock now. Is this the only one in the series, or are there other ones?
We should be other ones, but
There's
we
other
only
ones
have this one in
at the
stock.
moment.
Yeah, at the moment, yeah.
So get this one now, and then there'll be another one coming, right?
Yeah.
There'll be more coming. Beautiful.
Nice.